fried chicken. There's a whole lot going on right here. Come on over and take a look at some of the fine food we have out here this evening right now. Very good. It's half price. It's 2 for 1 right now. So come on in, check it out. Buy one dinner, get the second one for free. That's right. It's a mix and match BOGO special. Beef, ribs, and chicken. Barbecue ribs. The best, the finest on the Wildwood Boardwalk. Baked chicken, grilled chicken. Right here. Buy one, get one free. 2 dinners, one price. 5 different dinner platters to choose from. It's a mix and match special going on. Right here, there's a whole bunch of side dishes you can mix and match also. So come on in, it just doesn't stop there. We also have fried flounder dinners, fried shrimps, appetizers, chicken wings.
You're one of the most fun. You're one of the most fun. Nobody can have to give you stuff. Remember gas? Wow. Watch the Tram card. Watch the Tram card.
Like next to that. See that woman there? What about me? She goes this for a long time. What about me?